Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another hair video. As you can see, my hair's looking luscious, volume thick, okay? Like, I am loving my hair right now, and that is all with the help of the Extreme Wet Line Gel. So I received some reviews actually from people saying that the Eco Styler isn't like necessarily the best gel for our hair. So I did some research and came across this one, and honestly, whew, like, I am loving it. I'm already in love, and this is my second time using this product. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I curl my hair, how I define my curls. Like, I'm so mad I didn't know about this product earlier. Like, what's wrong with you people? Y'all did not tell y'all girl. Like, y'all did not tell me. Anyways, it's all good. So let's get right into this video. Like always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And guys, I'm so close to 30K, so definitely subscribe today. If you're a newcomer, if you're old, tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Anyways, let's get started. All right guys, so this is my hair. It's freshly washed. It already dried up, but it's all good. So let me just quickly try and brush it a little bit. As you guys can see, my hair has grown so much more since the last time I big chopped, which was, is it a year already? No, next month is a year that I cut my hair again. And hopefully this is the last time I cut my hair. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. It's very thick. Ouch. Just a disclaimer, I would actually rock my hair like this and just do my edges and go out. But today we're going to define these little curls. Now you can't see them, but once we do my magic, you will see them. Anyways, so I'm going to show you guys again how I curl it. But this time I'm using a new product that I'm super excited. So you guys know I usually, like, I live by my Eco Styler Flaxseed Gel. That's what I've always used to define my hair. But today we're going to do something new. I've seen a lot of people use this Extreme Wet Line. It's called Extreme Professionals. Let me show y'all. So I'm gonna use this product and see what the hype is about, because everyone is using this, everybody's hyping about it, and I don't know what it do. So let's get started. Like I already mentioned, I already washed my hair, so I'm just gonna quickly put some moisture in it because it's looking way too dry for me. So let's just, alright, so for my moisturizer, I'm going to use my Curly Lala Curling Custard. And for my oils, I'm going to use some castor oil. It's in here. I feel like I mixed this with something. I'm not sure. I'm sorry. And I'm also going to use my Coils Hair Booster Oil. So the name is almost gone, but you should see. This is an amazing hair boosting oil that I got from my friend Queenie. If you don't know her, she's a natural hair YouTuber, and she came out with her new line. So as you can see, I've been using the product a lot, and yeah, we're gonna use it again today. So first off, I'm going to moisturize my hair. So just using a little bit, so like this. And just use it for the section that we're going to start with. All right, I'm first going to use my Cold Hair Booster. Right here. And then top it up with my castor oil. And then massage it in. And then quickly detangle. So now it's nice and detangled. So we're going to start with small sections. So up next, I'm going to spritz my hair with some water just to define the curls a little bit, and then we will start with our gel. So now that my hair is a bit moist, I'm going to divide it. So just brush it a little bit with my Denman brush. You see, it should curl up a little bit, but not really defined. So now I'm gonna use this. As you can see, I used just a little bit. So let's put this to the test. I just put it on my hair. And let's just see how it looks. Okay. I just like to finger curl it just so that it gives it that extra definition. You don't have to, I like to. And that's it. Look at that. Okay, so let's do more. Alright, so as you can see, this is definitely defining my curls for me. Like, look at that. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to do the rest of my head and come back to you guys when I get to the front, so you guys can have a closer view on how this works. So I'll be right back. Alright, your girl is back. As you can see, my hair is looking very lumptious, scrumptious, nice. Wow. Do you guys see this definition though? Like, what? Like, I am loving this product. I don't know if it's like, look at this. Look at this. Do you see the bounce? The bounce. Perfect. So I'm gonna show you guys one more time how I do this. As you can see, this has been curled, and then you have this little part here that we gotta work on. Let me even show you guys the difference, okay? So, oh, can I be? Ouch. Look at the difference. This is very dry, and don't get me twisted, you can rock your hair like this and still look bomb, okay? Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. I rock my hair like this sometimes, but today I feel like being extra, so I curled it up. But this is fine too, okay? And you definitely see the difference between that and my hair. So let's work on this part here. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing as before. Use some of my curly Lala. Then seal it with my oils. Add some of my hair grow boost. And then let's just detangle. Okay. All right. And we're gonna start. Okay. I do with my gel, brush it out a little. I can just brush it and leave it, as you can see. So the curls already start forming when you put your gel, but I just like to finger coil it again. So just quickly go take some. And that's it. So here you see curl pattern is popping. So this is the last one. So let me show you guys again. So when you brush it, it already curls up, as you can see. So you can leave it like that, but like I said, I like to just twist and twirl it a few more times. And this is pretty much it. So let me do a quick 360 or 180 for y'all. As you can see, some of the curls are just popping. It's popping over here. Anyways, so I am going to make myself look a bit more presentable, wait for this hair to dry, and show you guys the final look. So this is my final look. Honestly, I am loving my hair. You know, I beat my face a little bit, put on some hooked earrings, and that's it. So I'm loving this extreme wet line gel. Like, my hair is 80% dry and it just feels so soft. It smells good. My curls are popping. You cannot go wrong with this product, so I would definitely recommend it. And yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Like always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more natural hair videos and a lot of different content. I am so close to 30k subscribers, so help your girl out. Subscribe to the channel. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give you a second right now to subscribe. Show the love. Thank you if you did, and thank you if you're already here. Okay, anyways, make sure to comment. Let me know if you have tried this product before, and I'll see you guys in my next video.